Alright guys, my bad. Forgot to start recording, but just got home about 20 minutes ago. Ripped the headliner off. Lights are in, so let's get this going. Try to set the phone up. Hopefully I can get a good view. Alright, well that's out. Wires hanging everywhere. Didn't crease the headliner much. One little crease. Not that bad. Alright guys, sorry about that. I really didn't film much on it. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory. You basically just get the thinnest thing you could find and poke as many holes as your kit has. I got a 300 piece, so I poked 300 holes. Stuck the string through it. You gotta hot glue it from the back. Simple. You can't do the holes big at all because the string is thin, so please be careful with that. Other than that, the kit works good. Every mode on it looks nice. You got a bunch of colors to choose from. But sorry about that. I really didn't get to film it. It was too frustrating, to be honest. It wasn't fun, but it was fun at the same time. But here's a little video of just of somewhat how it looked. We'll be doing another headliner. I actually got 2 to do on personal vehicles, so 2, maybe 3 with my friends. Life with the Dawn, 24x14 Silverado, the one that I posted the other blog. We're gonna be doing his soon. His is gonna be a color change though, so he's gonna get black headliner and starlighting. So that one's gonna be a good blog. Stay tuned for that one. But other than that, here's the little videos. Oh, actually, I probably already saw all the videos. I ain't cutting it out. I'm just gonna put this in there. But sorry about that. Thanks for watching.